heliocentrically. So what we're looking at here is from 2000 to 2020. So this is 20 years of the latitude of the planets. You just go into the Sirius software, you select the graphic ephemeris, right click on the graphic ephemeris, and check the box for latitude, for heliocentric latitude, and you will get this graph. And then you can select what planets you want in the graph. You can select all of them. Sometimes when I do a large number of years, I remove Mercury because it's so fast, it makes so many peaks. But over 20 years, we can leave Mercury in, and you see that Mercury goes up and down fairly evenly. They will all be fairly even. There's actually some variation in how high it gets and the spacing between them because of the elliptical orbit of Mercury rather than being perfectly round, but it's almost perfectly regular. And on the left, it's very small, so you may not be able to read it. This is 0 degrees in the center, and this is 4. And this is 8 degrees. So we have 0, 4, 8 degrees north, and 0, 4, 8 degrees south. So Mercury, which has an inclination of 7 degrees, so therefore its maximum latitude is 7 degrees, and it's nice and evenly distributed across. And we see Venus, which has an inclination of a little more than 3 degrees, going up and down to that little bit more than 3 degrees, the light green that you see here. And the red that we see here is Mars, and its inclination is a little bit less than 2 degrees, so it's going a little bit less than halfway from 0 to 4, and a little bit less than halfway from 0 to -4. In other words, going almost to 2 north and almost to 2 south, very evenly. So this is what we get. And we can also see here, if you look very carefully, Jupiter is this purple one. I don't know if you can see that very well. I'm tracing it with my cursor. There's Jupiter going up and down. And the black one is Saturn, peaking here in almost the middle, maybe a little bit right of the middle. And this red one coming from the top is Pluto. And Uranus and Neptune are also in here, and they're light blue and green, and they staying very close to 0. Kind of difficult to see. They're kind of merged in there. So anyway, that's the heliocentric latitude of the planets. Nice, beautiful, I'm calling it beautiful. In other words, simple pattern that it makes. And of course, geocentrically, it's not this nice, simple, wavy thing. It's rather interesting. So look at Venus, the green one. It starts high, 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 low, high, high, and then a big high. So it's going like, we'll call it up and down. So from here, it's going up, up, way down, up, way up. Almost like a rhythm, like it's starting here would be like up, 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 down, up, 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 up. If I give an emphasis to how high it's going, it's like up, up, down, up, up, up. So it's got this kind of rhythm where every 3 or 4 ups, it becomes extremely up, and same thing with the down. Kind of interesting. And the Mars pattern is very peculiar.